Hello, how you doing today? Got a new pair of custom kicks in. Want to go over them real quick, show you what I came up with. Got them from Converse. So let's go ahead and unbox these, check them out real quick. See what we got going on here. Oh my goodness. How would I not know? There's some fire red, just like I'm wearing my red shirt today. Ain't that unbelievable? Man, got the racing stripes of red and blue, black stitching. Man, look like got the custom on the side, custom lettering with the silver on the back. Man, what's the other one look like? Same. You know you can get them all switched up though, right? So this one, same thing, custom lettering. Got the blues hard to see with the red racing stripes of black. Oh man, fire, baby, fire. Not just 'cause it says fire on the shoe, but fire.